Good morning, everyone. Let me start sharing my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
So let's start with the global news update. So European stocks struggle for direction ahead of French election, though markets closed higher as investors look ahead to fresh data. Nvidia stock slides over 5% on profit taking and drags Nasdaq as well. Asia Pacific markets mostly closed higher after US tech sell-off. Gold gains on dollar retreat focus on US inflation data. US dollar dips from 8-week high versus yen as intervention fears intensify. Oil prices steady as markets weigh supply tensions and Chinese economic recovery. So these are the global market updates. So now let's move on to the Indian market. So yesterday's trading session, the market closed slightly positive. So Nifty closed 36.75 points positive yesterday. So as far as support resistance is concerned, next level of resistance is 23,600, followed by 23,700. On the downside, it is open until 23,400, followed by 23,350 or 360. Looking at option chain data, so we are seeing a support at 23,400. So you can expect market to open around 23,500. And the market, and as far as resistance is concerned, 24,000 is still intact, as we are seeing most of the open interest at 24,000 level. Bank Nifty closed 42.50 points positive. It opened negative, but including Nifty and Bank Nifty both closed and higher after decent recovery. For Bank Nifty, the next level of resistance is 51,900, followed by 52,000. And on the downside, we are open until 51,300, followed by 51,200. And if this level is broken today, 50,887 or 50,900 could be a strong support. So today we are seeing already two rejections at 51,900 level. So if this level is broken and sustained, then we can probably expect more Bank Nifty to rally further up. So that is the expectation. As far as okay, let us look at the option chain for Bank Nifty as well quickly. Bank Nifty also we are seeing strong support at 51,000 level, but strong volumes at 51,500. So we can see some activity at this level, 51,500. And as far as resistance is concerned, 52,000 is still intact, but we are seeing shift towards 52,200. So bias is still towards upside. Mid-cap Nifty closed 147.90 points positive. As far as support resistance is concerned, next resistance should be at 55,730 or 750 level, followed by 55,900. On the downside, support is at 55,334, followed by 55,217. Small caps closed slightly negative. But we have seen a good recovery after the pullback. As you can see, it almost touched the 18,000 level as we discussed yesterday. But we have seen a good recovery in small cap, and right now it's trading at 18,233 level. So for today's resistance should be 18,300, followed by 18,350. On the downside, 18,164 would be the support, followed by 18,086. So these are the updates on the major indices levels. So now looking at the rotations, sectoral rotations. So we are seeing now a new sector that is a construction materials. Of course, we have given is related to infra and realty directly. So iron and steel, industrial gas, chemicals, textile, banking, finance, automobile auxiliaries, realty. So media and entertainment, FMCG, hospitality, power and healthcare. So we are seeing there are multiple opportunities in multiple sectors. So looking at the deliveries, we saw some sell-off in many sectors yesterday, but as far as positive deliveries are concerned, paper, we're seeing good delivery. So paper stocks actually have been, rallying from last 1 week or probably little more than a week. So they have given very good returns. So textile is another one which is picking up, and electrical is another one which has been seeing good delivery. So these are the three sectors for short term we can look into. So these are the updates about market. And as far as stock baskets are concerned, so these are the three baskets that we have recommended for this week. Best infra stocks basket, expected returns is 15%. Best FMCG basket, expected returns is 10%. Best realty stock basket, and expected return is 20%. So that's all about the update for today.
Thank you, Sumanji. That was very crisp and very good update.
Thank
Any questions from the team on the market, on the news?
So the one news that is doing rounds, the Quant Mutual Fund. So we need to see whether it is already discounted, because we have not seen much of actions in market yesterday. Though morning market looked to be slightly negative, but towards the end of the day it recovered. So whether there will be a slow cascading effect throughout this week, that is yet to be seen. So that is one thing that we need to watch out for.
Okay, great, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks you very much. So this stock baskets, what we are giving the calls, please do spread this message across. We can also cover from tomorrow what are the current performance of the baskets recommendations that we gave the last week and the previous week. I guess it is doing well, especially the IT and couple of other baskets. So people should take advantage of this today's market. It's very difficult to do any kind of trading and still make profits. A lot of uncertainties and a lot of volatile price movements. So this is the easier way where people can just come in and invest less than a lakh of rupees or 2 lakh rupees into these three baskets, and easily they can make how these things work. And we'll also give the call as to when to exit this, when that the peak comes. Again, you can reinvest, and all this is available at just 999 rupees for access to three baskets for entire 12 months. So please do take advantage of this, spread this message across, and each of you also can try investing in this and see how it works for you. End of the day, more money is better than less money. That's the first principle in economics. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.